Socially vulnerable populations are often concentrated in flood-vulnerable urban areas, resulting in multiple cultural, economic, and ecological issues. Sunnyside, a 4,096-acre historically African American community in Houston, faces flooding hazards, high percentage of vacant lands, and low quality of life. In this situation, regeneration of vacant lands in the neighborhood is seen as an opportunity for flood resilience and community revitalization. The plan explores how urban regeneration of vacant lands can seek to enhance revitalization and resilience in the community. Through 4 months of public engagement, this evidence-based urban design and master plan incorporates citizen-driven decision-making within the planning process. After having identified existing issues and future goals from a series of community engagement meetings, the study develops a toolbox to reclaim existing vacant lands, depending on each type, size, location, and flood vulnerability. The resilient research-based master plan will have implications for cities to manage growth in socially and physically vulnerable areas, especially regarding planning for stormwater management. The Student Project Award is presented to Saima Musharrat of Texas A&M University.